Okay, so this is now, let's try out running using the target audience to run an ad. You click the blue button, boost post, right? So after clicking that, a page is going to load. My network is pretty bad, so please, my apologies, guys. You wait for the page to load, okay? And then the next thing, you can pick any of these three options. Profile visit if you want to increase followers, or messages if you want a lot of DMs, right? Or if you have a website, pick the middle option. This is for my BBLs only, don't forget, guys, for my business boss ladies, okay? So now let me just pick one of the audiences that I have here. I'll just pick this MTL Vid LAABJ, right? So I'll just pick that, and then I'll click on that. You will see three audiences we already created for you, and all. This is the daily budget. That's the first thing they will ask you. Now this is how it works. The higher your budget, the more people your ad will reach. Can you see? The less the budget, the estimated reach is reducing. The higher it is, estimated reach is increasing. So use a budget. I would say anything from 4,000 and above is good for a single ad as your daily budget. So this 4,700, I'll leave it at that. Then next, I'll click next. Use run this ad until you pause it. Okay, don't set a duration. Click run this ad until you pause it. On the next page, you've already selected your age, gender, all of that. So you just look at what the ad is going to do again. You can decide to preview the ad, or you just come down and you click boost post. The place that says payment method, it will show the amount you've loaded into your account. Make sure you load money in first. Okay. So load money in so that the money will be showing this your payment method, and then after that you can click boost post, and give the ad some time, maybe a few hours, and it will start running automatically by itself. Cheers, guys. I hope this helps. Bye.